Hello everyone, this is Esther again. Today I have another recipe for you, that is I'll be cooking goat intestine and the goat tripes. This, you can see it, this is the intestine. But it's going to take lots of time to clean all this. And here, so many people think that we Nagas eat only boiled curry, but actually we also use masala at times.
Hey guys, subscribe to our channel and do click on the bell icon to get notification on our new videos.
I'll just show you what all I'm going to use it. Uh, this is meat masala, garam masala, coriander powder, cumin powder, chili powder, and turmeric powder, and this is salt to taste. And the other ingredients will be, here again I have coriander leaf, onions, 2 tomatoes, ginger, and garlic. So let's go ahead and prepare this. And yeah, I'm going to tell you one thing. I have cooked this recipe in many different ways. Like I have tried pressurizing it, and I have even cooked in a cooking pot, that is I have fried it, but the taste, it doesn't come very good because this is not the first time that I'm cooking. So today I have tried one more thing, that is cooking in a rice cooker, and it tastes much better. So that is the reason I'm going to show you how I prepare this in a rice cooker. So let's get started. All right, now let's boil some water to clean the intestine and the tripes. As you can see, the water is already boiling now, so let's turn off the flame and start cleaning the intestine and the tripes. Here I have, I will put it here. Let's pour the water in here. I will not soak it for long, because otherwise, if I keep it for long, it will be hard for me to clean it. So I'll just soak it, and I'm going to throw the water now. I have already drained the water. Now I'll start cleaning this. See, it's very easy to clean now. But garam bhi bishi garam ase. Hat to chuli ase. So we are done cleaning this. Next, we will clean the intestine. It's going to take me some time here. So I'll be using this stick to clean the intestine. If I make it very long, it will be hard for me to pull it, so I won't take it too long. Pull it this way and like this. Here again. Go back here and let's pull it. I'm not able to pull it yet. or the other way you can do it, I'll show you. Just give me some time. First I'll tear this and pull it down like this, and you can do it one way. You can just tear it apart, put like this, and chalo, let's tear it. This is the easiest way to clean it. Do like this. So instead of using the first step that I showed you earlier, you can use this way. You can just tear it apart. Alright, so finally we are done cleaning it. So now I'll be cutting this into small pieces. You can cut in any shape that you like. We are done cutting, and I'm not going to cut the intestine. I'll just cook this way, and let's see how it turns out. I haven't tried cooking it this long, but I'll just try it. We will be mixing all the ingredients. So here it is. Next, I'll be adding the onions. Cut it in any style, in any shape that you want. There it goes. And the next thing is the tomato. Just put it this way. And you know what? Today I'm not going to pound the garlic. Smash it this way and roughly chop it like this. Next thing is the ginger. It's going to be hard. Yeah, I did it. You just need to roughly chop it, or you can pound it. We are done adding all the ingredients together. Now I'll mix the masalas. Here it goes, and yeah, I'll have to add mustard oil also. There it goes, and now let's add some water and mix it well. Now I'll be cooking this for about an hour, because it's hard. I mean, it takes time to get cooked, so I have to cook for long. But the longer you cook, the better it tastes. So let's cook it for about an hour. Okay, now let's put inside this rice cooker, and then let's start cooking it. I'll be coming back again after 15 minutes to have a look on it. Well, it's about 15 minutes now, so let's have a look. Wow, it's cooking so beautifully. But then I'll have to cook this for another 30 minutes more so that it gets cooked well. So let's cover it again and come back again after 30 minutes. It's more than 30 minutes now, so I hope it is already cooked. So let's have a look. Dun, dun, dun. Wow, it's done. Wow, it's smelling so good. Now I'll be garnishing with the last ingredient, that is the coriander leaves. So make it this way. That's it. And yeah, we are done with this recipe. Okay, so finally we are done with our today's recipe. As you can see it, it looks very beautiful, and now I'm going to taste it. Mm, very tasty, more than expected. It's very soft, tender. You should also try it. And yeah, I'll be coming back again with more interesting videos again. So if you like our videos, then yes, do subscribe, hit the like button, and keep watching us. Till then, bye.